Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Blue Bird LSE 22,000 log splitter is designed to meet the needs of the forestry sector, ensuring high precision work and remarkable energy efficiency. With a cutting capacity of up to 110 centimeters, this model allows working with large logs, eliminating the need to split the wood before splitting. The pushing power of 22 tons positions this log splitter among the most powerful in its segment, allowing it to handle hard and large woods with ease and reliability. The log splitter handles logs with a maximum diameter of 350 millimeters, ensuring excellent versatility in splitting operations. The pivoting wheel at the rear of the unit facilitates the movement and positioning of the device, improving usability in various work environments. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.